In this video, we're going to install the ComfyUI Manager to make it so that we can install custom nodes in a very easy way in ComfyUI. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our tutorials going forward. Okay, so here we are in ComfyUI. This is the standard layout as we know it so far. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a manage button to the control box. And what this is going to allow us to do is install custom nodes, search for custom nodes, and even install things like checkpoints and models. So how are we going to do that? We're going to go over here to the Git Hub. As always, the links are down below. And this is the ComfyUI Manager. And this is very, very easy to install. It's only going to take a minute or so. So how do we do it? We're going to scroll down. You see here under installation number 2, it says git clone, and then the information we need. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to right click and copy. And we're going to copy the whole line here because we're going to use Git. If you remember from our first tutorial, we installed Git to make sure that we had it. And now we're going to use it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to the ComfyUI folder, go to ComfyUI, go to custom nodes, and you'll notice that the folder is empty other than the example. And we got a couple of ways to open a terminal window here. If you're in Windows 11, you can right click and open terminal. But the other way is that you can come to the top here and type in CMD. And now we have our terminal open and it's in the right folder. Now we can paste using Control-V what we copied from the Git Hub. And what it's going to do is it's going to clone, which means it's going to download the files that are required. And we're going to click OK. And you can see there that it's downloaded those, and we can close this terminal. And now that we're back to ComfyUI, you notice we still don't have the manage button. This is because we have to restart Comfy. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and close Comfy. We can leave the window open because it'll say reconnecting, and once we open it, it'll be there again. We go to the main folder, run ComfyUI again, and what it's going to do is download any requirements and then open ComfyUI. And you'll notice on our control box, we now have a manage button. This is going to allow us to install custom nodes, install any missing custom nodes. So if you go ahead and bring a workflow in and somebody's using nodes you don't have, you can install the missing. Installing models, update everything. There's a lot you can do from here, but we're really interested in install custom nodes. So we're going to click on this and we're just going to install a quick node here, the one that I use a lot, and I would definitely recommend it. But if we go and we type in dynamic prompts, the second one down is called dynamic prompts custom node. It allows us to do random prompts. We can do combination prompts. I'm feeling lucky, magic, all of these things. So what we can do is we can click on the install next to it. And that's going to install. So it just used Git to download it to the custom prompts folder without us having to go to find it on GitHub and open in terminal. It's already done it. And to apply the installed, disabled, or enabled custom nodes, please restart ComfyUI. So we can do that. So once again, what we're going to do is close Comfy. It's asking to reconnect, which means we just need to open it again. Now this one might take a little bit longer because it's downloading even more prerequisites for it. But now if we right click, go to add node, we have dynamic prompts. And that's how we add custom nodes to ComfyUI. I hope this video has been helpful. And if you liked it, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of our other tutorials. All right, we'll see you later.